What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage and another Tool Time Tuesday. Today we got something pretty cool. We got that new BMW M4 and from the factory it came with some installed, well, paint swirls, right? Because it was sitting in the showroom, it needs to get cleaned up. So today we're gonna talk about polishers. So for today's totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool, we got these different dual action polishers. So summertime is coming up. You guys may have a new car, you may have a used car, you may just want to get that paint looking ultra nice, as good as it can, and you're gonna need one of these. So if you guys, want to go on the cheap end, you can get one of these ones at Harbor Freight and Tool. What I did with this one is I changed out the pad to a Chemical Guys 5-inch polishing backing. So you're gonna have to do that because from Harbor Freight, they come with a 6-inch. All professional dual action polishers, they come with a 5-inch. So you're gonna want to change that. If you want to step it up from this, what I did with this is modded it a little bit, put a little bit of new grease in it. I want to say I changed where this position is. I can't remember. I think it was on top in the factory location, and I think I rotated it a while back. This works great. You're gonna be able to polish your car. However, if you want to step it up to something nice, you can always get a Rupes polisher or a really high-end polisher. So this one right here is the Rupes Bigfoot 21. So this is super nice. It's gonna have a smoother motor in it. It's gonna have just a more direct drive, and it's gonna be your professional polisher. So, I mean, you can go range anywhere from $60 to $100, or you can go $300-400 and get a really nice professional one if you're gonna be doing a lot of detailing. This is a totally tubular 2-minute tool time tool. I'm gonna go over some pads real quick that you would want to use. So these ones are good, and as you can see, the edge is like pretty well curved. What that's gonna do is it's gonna be a softer pad, and it's gonna be less abrasive and not cut as hard or as fast when using a little bit of cutting compound. So I'm gonna actually detail my new car today. I'm gonna use this Regenerate medium cut compound swirl remover. This stuff is really good, professional grade. You wanna use something that is really high end, when you use this type of stuff. Just think about it. You don't want to put the cheap stuff that they didn't really try really hard on. You want to put something good on your car, and usually the cutting compound is not super expensive. Then we got this other pad right here that I'll show you guys. Now this pad, if you can see, I don't know if you could tell, but it is much firmer. Same color, but you see the edge on it? Just a sharp edge right there. And I mean, if you could tell the squish, I don't know if you could tell the squish, but this one squishes a lot easier and this one is a lot more firm. You can make a job out of this, polishing up your friends' cars. If you know a bunch of people, it's definitely a good thing to learn how to do. Polishing is pretty easy. So just add a little bit of polish, put it on the work area. Don't really apply pressure or anything like that. Just let the machine do the work. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. So if you guys have not hit subscribe, or if you have not clicked that little bell icon down there in the bottom, YouTube is screwing up all the time, not letting you guys know when I post. So you gotta hit that bell. You gotta join up the notification squad. Put hashtag notification squad if you are in that club, if you've hit that bell, and any of the links down below. If you guys click those, it helps out the channel. So I know polishers are awesome. I love having my paint looking nice and fresh for the summertime, and I'm sure you guys too. So let me know what you guys use below, and yeah, we'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.